Okay. So in last class we have discussed difference between the current transformer and potential transformer. Now we have to derive the difference between transformation ratio and uh, turns ratio. So you in the last class I have discussed different type of ratio. So what is the transformation ratio? In case of potential transformer, transformation ratio is equal to primary voltage, primary side voltage by secondary side voltage. Okay, and what is the turns ratio again? So B is equal to number of turns in the primary winding and number of turns in the secondary winding in case of potential transformer. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so in the last class I have told you what is the difference between different type of just wait, transformation ratio. Okay, so first we have to find out the different, what is R transformation ratio, what is R in case of potential transformer, Vp by Vs, and what is nominal ratio is a, what is nominal ratio, Vp rated by secondary side rated, yes or no, and what is N is Np by Ns. Now we have in ideal condition Vp by Vs is equal to Np by Ns is equal to Vp rated by Vs rated, but due to different factor, there is a difference in the actual transformation and turns ratio. So difference between the actual transformation R and turns ratio, that is R minus N, that induce error in a potential transformer. Okay, so now we have to derive what is the difference between R and N. Okay, so from phasor diagram I told you OA is equal to BP cos theta. Where is OA? Where is OA? Where is OA? OA from origin to A point. Now from the phasor diagram, what is the value of OA? OA is equal to N into BS plus N into IS RS cos delta plus N into IS RS sin delta plus IPRP cos beta plus IPXP sin beta. OA is equal to DS into N plus this component plus this component. So this component is equal to N into ISXN, and angle between this component is equal to delta. So ISN RN cos delta plus N ISXS sin delta. Again plus this component. So again this component have two parts. The angle between this component and this component, this part, this vector is equal to beta. Okay, so IPXP cos beta plus IPXP sin beta. Okay, and from the phasor diagram, OA is equal to BP cos theta. So BP cos theta is equal to N into VS plus N into IS RS cos delta plus n into is xs sin delta plus ip rp cos beta plus ip xp sin beta. Okay. So now if you simplify it, so it becomes Vp cos theta is equal to n Vs plus NIS. If you take the common from these two terms, so NIS R RS cos delta plus XS sin delta, and again IP RP cos beta plus IP XP sin beta. Okay, as you know, theta, what is the theta? Theta is the angle between VP and IP. Okay, it's called phase angle of the transformer. Okay, so generally in the normal condition, VP and IP are perpendicular to flux, but and the phase angle theta is very small. Then you can say OCD. Where is the C? OCD is equal to beta. कौन सा एंगल? OCD is equal to beta. ECD is equal to delta. ये वाला एंगल जो है वो बीटा है और ये वाला एंगल जो है वो डेल्टा है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम द फेजर डायग्राम IP cos beta is equal to IP cos beta is equal to IE, just wait, IE plus IS by n into cos delta, and IP sin beta is equal to IM IS by n sin delta. And I told you what is the theta? Theta is the phase angle. So theta is very small. Then you can say VP cos theta is almost equal to 1. Then you can say VP cos theta is almost equal to VP. So now from the equation number 1, from this equation number 1, VP is equal to n Vs plus NIS RS cos delta plus XS sin delta plus IEX IS by n cos delta RP plus IM plus IX by n cos delta XP. Any doubt up to that? Any doubt? I hope you don't. Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. If you're not responding, then I think you have no doubt. Okay. So now VP is equal to, from, if you now VP is equal to n Vs plus Is cos delta, okay, and n RS plus RS by n plus Is sin delta and n into XS plus XP by n plus IP RP plus IM XP. Okay, so now n into again Vs, if you divide and multiply by n, so it becomes Is by n cos delta n square RS plus RP, sorry, this portion is RP plus Is by n sin delta into n square XX plus XP plus IP RP plus IMXM. Okay. So now N into Vs plus NIS by N cos delta, and you have to replace this portion N square RP plus RS plus RP by RP, capital RP. What is capital RP? Capital RP is, what is capital RP? Capital RP is equivalent resistance of transformer preferred to primary side. Yes or no? Preferred to primary side. तो RP इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? N स्क्वायर इंटू RP प्लस सॉरी RS इन प्लस RP. रिफर करते हैं, पता है ना, रिफर करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम ये पता है. सपोज ये तुम्हारा इक्विवेलेंट डायग्राम है ट्रांसफार्मर का, where RS is the secondary winding resistance and RP is the primary winding resistance. If you prefer secondary winding resistance sorry, from secondary winding to primary winding becomes RS into N square, and total resistance is equal to RS into N square plus RP. So equivalent resistance of transformer referred to primary side is equal to N square into RS plus RP. So that's why N square RS plus RP is replaced by capital RP, and capital RP is called equivalent resistance of transformer referred to primary side. Now again this part NS plus IS by N into sine delta, and this part is called XP, capital XP. What is capital XP? What is capital XP? Again, equivalent reactance referred to secondary side. Yes or no? And its value becomes N square XS plus XP. Okay, plus IERP plus IMXM. Sorry, IMXP. Sorry, XP. Any doubt up to date? Now equal to N into Vs plus IS by N. You take common, then it becomes RP into cos delta plus XP into sine delta plus IE into RP plus IM into XP. Okay. So if you take the common, okay, if you take the common, then it becomes Vp by Vs is equal to N plus IS by N RP cos delta plus XP sine delta, okay, plus IP RP plus IM XP divided by Vs, divided by Vs. Okay, what is Vp by Vp by Vs? What is Vp by Vs?
Formula ratio.
Yes, it's called actual ratio.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actual ratio R. And what is N? What is N? N is turns ratio. Ideally, you know VP by VS is equal to NP by NS is equal to turns ratio. But in case of transformer, in case of potential transformer, there is one extra part, that is IS by N, RP cos delta plus XP sin delta plus IP RP plus IM XP divided by N. Okay, so difference between the actual ratio, difference.
सर BS होगा ना सर?
Sorry, BS. Yes, difference between actual transformation ratio and turns ratio ना, आइडियली कितना होना चाहिए? VP by VS इक्वल टू NP by NS इक्वल टू N होना चाहिए. दैट मींस ये दोनों सेम होना चाहिए. सो RP माइनस N, ये जो है तुम्हारा एरर है. ओके, ये जो पोर्शन है उसको करते हैं हम लोग एरर. यस बोलो. हेलो.
हाँ सर, वो पूछ रहे हैं जो स्मॉल एन लिखे हैं आप, स्मॉल एन.
स्मॉल एन, यस.
हाँ ये सब वो टर्न रेशियो है ना?
ये टर्न्स रेशियो है. यस, एक्चुअली देखो किसी भी ट्रांसफार्मर में एन आइडियल कंडीशन में व्हाट यू नो, VP by VS is called EP by ES is called NP by NS is equal to N.
Yes,
or
sir.
IS by IP.
P.
So, but practically, if you go through the derivation, due to resistance of a primary winding and secondary winding and leakage reactance of secondary winding and primary winding, BP by BS not equal to N. So there is a, क्योंकि देखो अगर हम कोई ट्रांसफार्मर, हम लोग पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर यूज करते हैं, सपोज यू हैव टू यूज वन पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर एंड सपोज why you are calculating the difference between the R and N. कोई बता सकता है why you are calculating difference between actual transformation ratio and turns ratio? Why?
सर एरर फाइंड
Why
करने
we have
के
to
लिए.
find out where?
सर एरर फाइंड करने के लिए.
Yes, error find करने के लिए. Because if you use one potential transformer, suppose you have, हम लोग एक पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर यूज किए और हम लोग बोले कि ये पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर जो है वो 10 kV by 100 वोल्ट का है. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट इज अ टर्न्स रेशियो. 10 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 100. सो इसका वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? 100. सिंपल. सो सपोज हमारे पास यहाँ पर वोल्टेज है, यहाँ पे जो वोल्टेज है वो 50 वोल्ट है. सो व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल वोल्टेज? What is the actual voltage?
सर 50.
What is the voltage across the primary side?
सर 10 kV.
Suppose we have to measure one high voltage. यहाँ पर एक अननोन हाई वोल्टेज है जो उसको अप्लाई किए. एक पोटेंशियल ट्रांसफार्मर जिसका दिया हुआ है 10 kV by 100 वोल्ट एंड यहाँ पर वोल्ट मीटर लगाए तो यहाँ पे 50 वोल्ट आया. सो यहाँ पे अननोन हाई वोल्टेज का मैग्नीट्यूड कितना होगा? एक्चुअली ये जो अननोन वोल्टेज इसको मेजर करना है, ये कितना होगा बताओ?
सर मेरे तो 5000 वोल्ट आ रहा है.
यस 5000 आएगा. So that means 5000 आएगा आइडियल कंडीशन में।
Yes, sir.
इस 5000 को मेजर करने के लिए हम लोग why are you using the potential transformer? Because if you want to measure a 5000 voltage, so we need a voltmeter of very huge size. Yes or no? That's
Yes, sir.
why we have to step down the voltage using potential transformer, and you have to measure the voltage using normal voltmeter. Then you have to multiply a measured voltage with the transformation ratio, and you can obtain the actual measured voltage. That means in this case a transformation ratio is 100 volt, and you have measured 50 volt through voltmeter, so actual measured voltage is equal to 100 into 50, that is 5000 volt. But you there is an error in the potential transformer, because in practically BS by BP, that is जो यहाँ पे ये दिया हुआ is not equal to NS by NP, not equal to N. That's why we have to find out कितना error आएगा. So we have to calculate the error percentage. That's why we have to derive the difference between R and N. Okay, so finally difference between R and N, if you modify it, is equal to N into IS. Okay, RS cos delta plus XS sin delta plus IP X RP plus IM X XP divided by DS. Any doubt?
सर हमको नहीं समझ आया,
हाँ,
हमको नहीं समझ आया।
क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
वो यहाँ पर ना क्या आप ऊपर में आरपी ले रही थी और नीचे आरएस लिए।
कैसे लिए ना, वो तुमको दिखा देता हूँ। हेलो, यहाँ पे हम क्या किए बताओ, क्या किए बताओ। हेलो हेलो,
सर
Yes,
n
sir.
डिवाइड हुआ था उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए।
तुम n मल्टीप्लाई किए, मतलब क्या हुआ, इसके अंदर क्या होना चाहिए, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा, अगर यहाँ पे n स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर देते हैं और n स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, एनी डाउट?
नो सर।
सो n कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा, n इंटू एक्स हो जाएगा, आरपी बाय एन स्क्वायर। हेलो, यहाँ पे देखो आरपी बाय एन स्क्वायर इक्वल टू आरएस होगा या नहीं होगा, इसीलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे उसको मॉडिफाई किए। तो यहाँ पर ये जो है ये डिफरेंस है, डिफरेंस बिटवीन, ये कौन सा डिफरेंस है, ये डिफरेंस है इसको हम लोग जो है माना एक्चुअल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रेशियो एंड टर्न्स रेशियो के बीच में डिफरेंस है, जिसको हम लोग परसेंटेज एरर में बाद में हम लोग जब एरर का फॉर्मूला डिराइव करेंगे तब लिखेंगे। नाउ अब बताओ हम लोग को और कहां पर डिफरेंसेस हो सकता है, और हम लोग का कहां पर डिफरेंसेस हो सकता है। हेलो, हम लोग बताए थे, हेलो, सो थीटा, व्हाट इज थीटा, व्हाट इज थीटा फ्रॉम द फेजर डायग्राम, theta is the phase angle of transformer and its angle between the reverse BS and VP. Ideally BS, reverse BS and VP are in phase, That means there is no phase angle between the phase angle in a transformer. That is in case Vs and Vs by n in phase with the Vp. So we have to find out the phase angle error. That means we have to find out the theta. Okay. So next derivation is used for find out the phase angle. Okay. Hello. Out. So just wait. So next is you have to calculate the phase angle. That is phase angle, angle. That is you have to calculate. So you have to find out the tan theta. So from the phasor diagram, tan theta is equal to AB by P by B होता है ना? PB
Yes,
by
sir.
that means AB by OA. Okay. So AB by OA. So इसका वैल्यू जो है वो हो जाएगा. What is the value of AB? So AB is equal to IP XP cos theta minus IP RP sin beta plus NIS RS cos delta minus NIS RS sin delta divided by NVS plus NIS RS cos delta plus NIS XP sin delta plus IP RP cos beta plus IP XP sin beta. So again, in the denominator, IP and IS very small. So if you modify it, then it becomes we have a lack of time. So you can derive right now I am directly theta is small, very small. So you can say that tan theta almost is equal to theta, and finally theta is equal to, if you modify it and solve it, then it is equal to IS by VS. Now XS cos delta minus RS into sin delta plus IE XP minus IM RP divided by N into BS is the difference in the phase angle. Okay. So now next topic is error in potential transformer. So first error is called ratio or voltage error. Okay. So percentage ratio error is equal to Kn minus R by R into 100. What is Kn? Kn is the what is nominal